Welcome to the training for setting up closed captioning for recorded videos and during a live meeting online. We will be using an online website called webcaptioner.com. I will show you step by step how to use webcaptioner.com to set up closed captioning on your computer. Please keep in mind, as of now, this website will only work on Google Chrome internet browser. Let's open up webcaptioner.com. You do not need to set up an account or give them your email address. This is the website. In the top part of this website, click on Help Center. Scroll down the page, then click on Change Microphone Web Captioner Listen To. Highlight and copy this web page address in a new web browser. This will take you to the Web Captioner setting page. You have to go there to change the setting of the microphone. Make sure the setting is on stereo mix so it will pick up the person's voice in a live or recorded video. Then go to Appearance on the left side of the screen. This will allow you to change the size of the font. I chose medium since it was recommended. Choose a size that is easy for you to read. Now, we need to get a second window up for the live or recorded video. My district is using Schoology for online classes. Go ahead and log into your classroom's online page. Find the course and the video. Before you start the video, set up the video as high up on the screen as you can. Then go back to the Web Captioners page we had already set up. Click on Start Captioning in the top right corner. Let's talk about this page. If you click on that, it will take you back to that page we were just on. Just click on Start Captioning again and it will take you back to this. Over here on the far right, it has Save Transcript, New Window, Clear Transcript. It also takes you to the settings page. Please keep in mind this setting page is a little different from where we were earlier. This screen right now is too large. Let's make it smaller so you can see the captions and video at the same time. First, go back to the page with the video. Make sure you have it to where you like it. Then go back to the web captures page and set that up. Line up the pages where the Web Captioners page is black from the top and the end of the video's page. Once you've got it how you like it, pull the Web Captioners page up a little so you can click on the Start Captioning button. Put that page back how you had it, then start the video.
This is Molly's bedroom. As you can see, Molly's bedroom is empty now. What goes inside Molly's bedroom? Molly has a bed. This is Molly's bed. You have a bed in your room. Molly has 2 pillows. 1 pillow, 2 pillows. I am going to put the pillows on Molly's bed. Put the pillow on the bed.
Okay, let's stop the video here so I can show you how to save the transcript. First, click on Stop Captioning. Go to the menu I showed you earlier. Then click on Save Transcript. Choose the Word document option. It popped up in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on it. Microsoft Word pops up. Click on OK. It is best to just highlight the whole thing and copy it. Then open up a new Microsoft page. Go ahead and paste it here. During this time, you can fix the mistakes that are on there. Okay, click on File, Save As, then choose a place where you want to keep it. If you want to, you can keep it on the desktop. Just put it somewhere that is easy for you to find later. Okay, go ahead and close the windows. Go to the folder to make sure it is there and you can find it. I have too many folders, so I searched the folder by typing the name of it in the search. And there it is. Double click on it to view it. Now let's talk about using closed captioning for live videos. So your teacher will probably want to talk to you in a video. This is called videoconferencing. When you get the invitation, just open up the video like how they showed you and set up the web captioners page the same way we did it for the recording video of Molly's bed. I hope this video was helpful in setting up closed captioning for videos sent by your teacher and to use during a video conference with them.